Hi, this is a brief overview of how to use the conference phones in the conference rooms at the RTP campus. In the center of the room on the table, we've got a control unit. On the display here, you'll see that there's a call button with a little phone icon. Go ahead and press that. And then on the right, there's a keypad button. Press that, and you want to be sure to choose voice over on the left. And then go ahead and dial your number. Just like any phone on campus, you're going to dial 9 to get an outside line, and then dial your number. Once you've dialed your number, you do have to press the call button, just like on your cell phone. When the line is ringing, you don't actually hear the ringing, but you will see these blue lights light up, and then on the display it says ringing, and it tells you what number you're calling. Once this picks up and goes to voicemail, we'll actually hear through the speaker in the center, and if it's too loud or not loud enough, we can turn the volume.
You reached the voicemail
There's a volume button right here.
Director of Campus Services.
You can just tap that to make that go down.
I'm sorry I'm unable to take your call right now. But
If I needed to press a pound key or something with a web conference, I'd press keypad. Brings up a keypad. I can use any of those buttons there. There's a back button.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
And when I'm ready to end the call, I can press the end up top here. And those are the basics.